Hey everybody, welcome to Redwood Ranch for your Redwood Rundown Halloween edition. Hi, happy Halloween everyone. Good to see everyone. Hope everyone's feeling good. Hope everyone's feeling really good about the UAW strike being over. This strike that had gone on for way too long and had had a big impact on the market as far as spot volumes and spot availability. That is now behind us. There has been a tentative agreement struck with the unions and the big three automakers. Even though those unions still have to vote on those contracts, we have on the ground knowledge that at least for Ford, as of last week, production was being resumed from suppliers. Ford reached out to suppliers and said production is coming back online. We imagine that's the same for Stellantis and GM as well. What does that mean? We think that we are going to see a lot less activity from larger carriers on spot boards. With that being said, we think that that's going to have an immediate impact on spot rates and that those should be rising higher with those larger carriers, not underbidding those and keeping those rates compressed. We've already seen that in the Sonar NTIL, that truckload line haul index that reached a low of $1.52 line haul last week on the 25th prior to resolution. Now with the strike resolved, as of today, we are at $1.54. It's already come on up 2 cents, kind of validating that idea. That Sonar NTIL at $1.52 was the lowest it had been since May 17th at $1.51. Again, prior to the strike, there was a lot of pressure that had been building up in volume and starting to make its impact on Midwest capacity. We'll see how long it takes for this to have an impact on capacity as well, as far as limiting it. But at the very least, that piece of the nightmare is behind us. What else is going on? Well, we are seeing increased import behavior as well. The IOTI, everyone is talking about where's the demand, where's the demand? We're with you. Where is that demand? Well, what we're seeing though is that the IOTI is outperforming 2022 and it's outperforming 2021 at this time. And given the resolution that there was earlier this year from the ILWU on the West Coast ports, and the strength that we have seen in Southern California, with Los Angeles market still last week being 5.2 to 1 on the load to truck ratio, we think that you are going to see about 3 weeks from now. So think about post Thanksgiving, because most shippers really slow down as they get to that Thanksgiving holiday. That post Thanksgiving week, we think that there's going to be a big push in Southern California. Traditionally, Southern California starts to die off as you get further into December, but based off what we are seeing from that data, suggests that we're going to see a little bit more. That's all we've got for this week. We hope that everyone has a happy, safe Halloween. Talk to you soon.